Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you on how we can add business hours to your restaurant's website on our Mucho Taste. Alright, so first we need to log in to our Mucho Taste account. Okay, so click that manage option, and on the left corner you can see this star-like image here. Just click that, that's the setting. Right, and under the system, find the location option and click that and just scroll down a little bit and you should see this opening hours here. So you can add a time slot whether your restaurant is open 5 days a week. You can choose here if what day your restaurant is open. So for example, your restaurant is open Monday through Friday. So just add another four time slot. Okay, so when you click this arrow here, you can choose the day of the week that your restaurant will open. So this one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right. So on the next column, you can choose your opening hour for your restaurant. All right, so for example, the opening hour is 9 a.m. and the closing hour is 11 a.m. All right, let's just edit this 11 a.m. Yeah, just copy paste this so it will be quick. All right, 11 a.m. All right, so opening hours is 9 a.m., closing hours is 11 p.m. All right, so on the next column, it says here 24-hour. It says below enter time in 24-hour format. So we really need to make sure that this column here will be checked. That's if your restaurant's closing hour is below 12 p.m. because the system will think that your restaurant is closed because it will think that this 11 time here is 11 a.m. All right, so if your the closing time for your restaurant is um it's in PM time zone, so we need to check this column here because if you will not check that column, I will show you what will happen. Okay. All right. So we can go to the restaurant's website here. Just click that. I already have it here actually. All right. So if you click this option, it will lead you to this page on the restaurant menu page. All right. So let's go back here. I will show you what will happen if your closing time is 11 p.m. and you don't check this column here, the 24-hour format. All right. Let's choose an item. All right. Pick up. So that's it. It will say, sorry, we are currently not accepting orders for pickup. That's because the system think that the restaurant is closed because it says here 11. The restaurant or the system think that this 11 time here is 11 a.m. since it's already 2 p.m. now. All right, so we need to check this column here. Let's save. It's important that we hit the save button here so that the changes will be saved, of course. All right, that's been saved, and let's refresh this. It should be good by now. All right, so pick up now. There you go. It will allow you to order any food that the customer like. All right, so that's it. But if your restaurant is open like 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., then it should be fine that you will not check this option here. But if your closing time is under 12 p.m., so you really need to check this column here. All right, and hit save. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add restaurant hours. Thank you for watching.